Hello students, welcome to today's session on central problems of economy, in which I'm going to cover introduction of central economic problems, what, how, and for whom to produce, and significance and resolutions. So to begin with, okay, introduction of central economy problems. Okay, so every economy faces basic problems due to a scarcity of resources and unlimited human wants. So in short, human wants are unlimited and the resources are limited. Okay, so it is nothing but the scarcity of resources. And these issues exist in all economic systems, right? It could be capitalist system, socialist system, or any mixed economy. It doesn't matter in which economy we are talking about, but it impacts or the issue exists in all economic systems. The three central problems are what to produce, very important. Next one is how to produce, and third one is for whom to produce. So what to produce, that means which type of product, right? That needs to be produced in that economy. So it could be in the capitalist, it could be in socialist, it could be in mixed economy. So which kind of product anyone can produce. Next one is how to produce. That is most important because uh, the production process also varies as per the cost, right? So someone's looking for automated processing, someone looking for manual processing. So it is nothing but the kind of issues or problems because they have to think upon how to produce. The third one is to whom to produce, right? What is the target market, whether it is niche market or maybe talking about the infant or child or adult or any mixed economy, right? So this is the kind of every economy faces the basic problems, right? Now moving to the next one, that is what, how, and for whom to produce, right? So what to produce decides which kind of goods or services to produce in what quantity, right? It doesn't matter in which economy we are talking about, but yeah, that decision needs to be taken, and it is very, very crucial decision what to produce. Another one, as I mentioned, how to produce. That means choose the technique of the production. It could be labor incentive, it could be capital incentive, or based upon the available resources, whatever it is. Okay, so that is also crucial, how to produce. Next one is for whom to produce, right? What could be the market, right? So determine the allocation of goods among different sections of society, right? And who gets how much, that is also important, right? So if we are talking about any kind of products, right? So coffee, so what age group is interested or maybe looking for to have the coffee, right? So similarly there are different products, and it is mostly depends upon the sections of the society, and the company firms determine the allocation of goods among the different section of the society, right? Now moving to the third one, that is significance and resolution. So what is the significance of this issues, right? So scarcity and alternatives uses make these problems universal and continuous. So this kind of problems is ongoing, right? Because scenario changes, time changes, right? Demand changes. So based upon that, maybe the scarcity of the raw materials. So the scarcity and alternatives uses make these problems individuals, maybe universal and continuous. So it is ongoing process, right? Different economics uses price mechanism, right? Government planning, or both to resolve these issues, right? So if you're talking about resolution is concerned, so based upon the price mechanism, how price decided, okay, and also the government planning, right? So based upon the indirect taxes or maybe direct taxes, so government planning is also important, which type of goods they want to promote, something like that. that both to resolve these issues, right? So if we're having the scarcity, right, there should not be any, you know, deposition of, or maybe the storage of that kind of goods, right? That will definitely increase the prices. So different economic uses price mechanism and government planning, or both to resolve this issue. Apart from that, addressing this problem helps optimize resources use and boost overall welfare, right? So the maximum utilization of the resources, right, that is the most crucial piece of this resolution. So the problem arises, that's okay, because it is a continuous basis and it is ongoing basis, but it's a universal problem, right? But how the resources are optimized, utilized, right? So maximum utilization of the resources, or optimal utilization of these resources, and also boost overall welfare, right? These two are the key resolution of these issues. Okay, so that's it for the central problem of the economy. There are a couple of more, but this is the summary. Okay, so that's all for today's session. I hope you all are understand the topic. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time. If you have any doubts, please contact me through my Urban Pro profile. Thank you.